In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Odoo. We'll be doing this directly from your Odoo dashboard, and the process is quite straightforward once you know where to click. If you want to connect your bank so you can manage financial activity more efficiently inside Odoo, this setup is a great place to start. Begin on your Odoo dashboard and open the Accounting module. This is where your financial journals, transactions, and banking connections are managed. Once you're inside Accounting, look to the top left area of the screen near the dashboard title. There you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click that icon to open the available configuration options for the dashboard. From the menu that appears, select Add Journal. In Odoo, a journal is used to organize financial records by type, so this is the step where you're creating the connection point for your bank account. After that, choose Bank as the journal type. This tells Odoo that you want to set up a bank-related journal rather than something like cash or sales. Making the correct selection here is important because it ensures the account is categorized properly and can work with bank synchronization features if they're available. Next, you'll be prompted to search for an account or a bank institution. Take your time here and enter the name of your bank or the relevant account provider. As you type, Odoo should display matching options. Once you find the correct one, select it and then click Connect. At this point, Odoo will guide you to the secure connection stage. Depending on the bank you selected, you may need to sign in through the bank's authentication page to confirm the connection. This step can vary from one institution to another, so don't worry if the screen looks a little different from what you expected. Just follow the prompts provided by your bank and complete the login or authorization process as requested. Once the connection is confirmed, your bank account will be linked to Odoo. That means you'll be able to work more easily with your banking information inside the platform, depending on the services supported by your bank connection. And that's it. That's how you add a bank account in Odoo. If you're following along, just make sure you select the correct bank and carefully complete the login confirmation step, since that's usually the most important part of the process.